J U G, jug. Jug means jug. M I X A R G R I N D A R, mixer grinder. Mixer grinder means mixer grinder. F R Y I N G P A N, frying pan. Frying pan means तलने की कढ़ाई. T O A S T A R O V A N, toaster oven. Toaster oven means toaster oven. R O L L I N G P I N, rolling pin. Rolling pin means belan. W A K, whack. Whack means kadai. K N I F A, knife. Knife means chaku ya churi. P R A S S U R A C O O K A R, pressure cooker. Pressure cooker means pressure cooker. S P I C A S B O X, spices box. Spices box means masalo ka dibba. G A S S T O V A, gas stove. Gas stove means gas chulha. J A R, ja. Ja means bhojam. D I S H R A C K, dish rack. Dish rack means dish rack. F O R K S P O O N, fork spoon. Fork spoon means kanta chammach. S P O O N, spoon. Spoon means chammach. C U P, cup. Cup means pyali. C O O K P O T, cook pot. Cook pot means पकाने का बर्तन. P L A T A, plate. Plate means thali. G I L A S, gilas. Gilas means gilas. K A T T L A, kettle. Kettle means ketli. L A D A L, ladel. Ladle means dabbu. S P A T U L A, spatula. Spatula means cholni. S A U C A P A N, saucepan. Saucepan means saucepan. C U T T I N G B O A R D, cutting board. Cutting board means काटने का board. W A S H I N G M A C H I N A, washing machine. Washing machine means धुलाई यंत्र. B O W L, bowl. Bowl means katora. T R A Y, tray. Tray means sani ya parat. J U I C A R, juicer. Juicer means juicer. S I A V A, sieve. Sieve means chalni. B O T T L A, bottle. Bottle means bottle. M I C R O W A V A, microwave. Microwave means microwave. T O N G S, tongs. Tongs means chimta. S C I S S O R, scissor. Scissor means catchy. L A M O N S Q U A Z A R, lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer means nimbu nichorak. D U S T B I N, dustbin. Dustbin means kachre ka dibba.